Hello everyone. We have Pragya who recently got certified into PMP. She's always with the most smiley face because recently got certified, excited. So here is her certificate of PMP on December 2. She did it. Okay. So it's a hard
Right.
work, lot of stuff. So congratulations from Sri Learning and team.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's a great effort. So she's going to talk about how things are happening. Before we go there, Pragya, you can give some highlight of what is the job nature, what do you do there, and how do you see PMP is going to help you?
Okay, so I am working as a project manager from quite a couple of years,
Mm.
and like into project management, it's been 6 years. I have been working.
Very good.
So P was something, always a dream. I used to open the LinkedIn, and I used to see a lot of people, working really hard. I used to see a lot of success stories for like from Shri Learning.
Okay.
So I was very curious. Initially, I was not aware, that it is globally recognized and what it can do to your career. So I was not aware of all these things. So I guess maybe in July, I pinged you that hi Shriram, I want to do PMP, and I do not have time to read Rita Mulke because I was aware, the number of pages. I saw the book, so I got really scared. I said, no, I can't do that. I mean, okay, I am a studious person, but then, because of a long break from your studies and then, starting that again, so it was quite difficult. So I pinged you. You said, okay, don't worry. I will let my executive get in touch with you. And then Rahul contacted me and everything happened very smoothly. So I joined your batch in August, and initially what I planned was that because there was a lot of stuff going on at my end also. I have a family, and then I have a young toddler who is 2 and he's very naughty. And then
Oh,
apart from that, work from home. I mean, everything was, quite compact. So what I decided was I will go through your sessions, and
mm.
mean I started reading Rita. I initially started doing that along with your sessions. So I was like, I had that zeal. Okay, before session, I will complete all the chapters and
Mm.
everything.
Mm. Does it happen?
But so this was like the plan which I initially decided. But I started with the sessions.
Which book you opened?
Rita.
Okay, Rita is a good girl. What she said.
Yeah, you only told me she's a good girl. That's why I started. I used to ping you also initially. If you remember, I used to put a lot of questions and highlighting everything. I was doing that because I was very excited. Before like I was very
I
curious. I
know, I know that day one your energy level was peak.
Yeah. And
You
then
said, "Kiran,
it
what is this?"
started. Then the graph started doing like this.
Yeah, I've seen, right? People, the first day the energy will be like, come on, Shiram, give me something. I have to punch them. Hold on, long way to go.
But to be very frank, your sessions helped me a lot in
Mm.
understanding, all the flows, creating the project charter, and then SOW. I mean, starting from there, mind maps were, the mind map were creating in my head. I used to basically correlate everything,
Very good.
and when chapter schedule came, so it was quite related to my current, task which I'm doing. I'm managing a team and creating WBS and everything. So
Okay.
that part of my job profile. So I got very comfortable when you taught me that.
Mm.
At the end, I completed the sessions, and in between, I guess I missed 2 sessions because I was traveling. So
Mm.
I I missed two of my sessions, and then please share the study plan with me so that I can start with the preparations. So he shared a study plan. Again, I was not able to follow that. But what I was doing, what I was doing after August, I have a habit of preparing notes. So what I was doing, I was reading Rita. Simultaneously, I started with head first, and I really liked head first more, right? So what I used to do, I used to open your PPT. I used to open the chapter and the notes which I have taken from your lessons,
Mm.
and then I used to make the ITTOs and highlighting those red boxes which were there in the PPT. So I was doing that. I was
Mm.
making my notes.
Very good.
So, August I started. So September, October, you can say I was only making notes.
Mm. Mm.
Since October, I was only making notes, and I was doing the chapter test. I used to share the I mean, I used to share the like details with you as well, the Excel,
Scores.
right?
Hmm.
Yeah, scores. So after cost, I mean, I something happened. I was not physically well, so I had to take a break, right?
Hmm.
And it was, I December 3. I messaged Rahul again. See,
Hmm.
I scheduled my exam for December 31st
Hmm.
because I was pretty sure that I would not be able to clear the exam because I have not read properly. So what I did was I asked Rahul whether I should reschedule the exam, like what should I do. So he said, you still have days, you can prepare. So I was like, okay, let me first complete my notes. So
Hmm.
I tried to complete my notes by 10th of November. I did that. I completed notes. So like later on, I just studied that only. I never read Pimbok. I never read Rita again. I never read Head First again. So I had my notes. I was just reading that, right?
Hmm.
And I again interacted with Rahul because I got anxiety attacks in between because I was not able to put a lot of time in the preparations, and then I was not able to practice questions. So what I did was I was so scared I rescheduled my exam for April 2021 because I was not sure that I would be able to clear the exam,
Okay.
right? But deep down, I knew that I have the clarity. If you talk about the concepts, I have the clarity, and I'm ready with my notes.
Hmm.
So and a friend of mine, he encouraged me. Pragya, you are such a, I mean, you are such a good girl. Why are you planning to give your exam in 2021? You
Hmm.
should try, giving that before. So yeah. So he gave me a 15 days of study plan
Hmm.
in which he shared his prepcast account with me because I was so sure that Pragya, you will fail, like leave it, you will do it in April 2021, and as of now leave it, you won't be able to do it. So what I did, Sriram, I saw your lessons again, the video recordings. And meanwhile I was revising from the notes, and then I initially, when I had a word with Rahul, he told me to complete the PDFs from the drive,
Right.
like the question. Yeah, so I started doing that,
Hmm.
and I was like, I was solving the questions, I was getting confident. I was clearing my doubts from Ashraf's in the group, and then there was Divin, so all the batchmates, I was discussing everything. Meanwhile, Ashraf also shared the podcast with us, so I
Hmm.
was listening to that as well,
Right.
right? So it gave me a confidence. What I did, I did the questions from the PDF.
Hmm.
That was my first step. I did it, and when that was over,
Hmm.
so now it was a time for mock-ups.
Hmm.
I didn't give the mock-ups for which a PMI has 200 questions. I never did that because I was very scared. If I if I would score before 50, I would lose it. I never did that.
Hmm.
So what I did, I started with Udemy free course which Rahul shared,
Hmm.
right? That, and in that I scored, I guess, 54%. I was like, Pragya, leave it. You won't be able to do it. Then I analyzed the gaps. I mean,
Hmm.
the questions which were wrong. And to be specific, I only analyzed those questions which were wrong. I never went for the right ones,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Because I was like, I didn't have that much time, and meanwhile I was revising my notes. That is like a constant. I mean, the thing which I was doing on a regular basis, right? And apart from that, then I started with Prepcast. I gave my first exam,
Hmm.
55%.
Hmm.
No, no. Okay, I said no, I won't be able to do it. Meanwhile, my friend was telling me, Pragya, please do one thing. Give your exam once in December so that you will have second chance if you fail. So you will have a gap of 25 days to prepare for the next
Okay.
slot.
Okay.
Right. Yeah. So I had that thing in mind. I gave my second, third, and fourth prep cast. So the percentage went from 55, 54, 62, and last one 70. So I only did 4 exams. That's it. Because I was like, I didn't have that much time, and I was not alone. But last 15 days, I was studying continuously from 6 to 8 hours. That was my constant hours which I was putting in. So
Very,
for 15 days studied for 6 to 8 hours. That I did.
very good.
Right. Right. And then now it was the time to reschedule the exam because I thought, okay, let me give that at least once. If I fail, I will like reschedule the exam for December
Yeah.
30, maybe 30 or 1st of January, because after that the syllabus would change.
Hmm.
So I went for the proctored one because in center based, I was not able to find the slot. So
Yes.
so in the third one, I was so nervous. I was so nervous because obviously I never had that kind of exam wherein proctor would is watching you. And you know what? I leaned to like the towards my left for picking up the charger of the laptop, and then there was a chat box. Oh, go! Your exam will be revoked. Don't do this. Don't do this again.
So it means
I
they're
was
watching
so
you.
scared. Oh God, I was so scared.
They keep watching you continuously.
Yeah.
Mm, interesting.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I gave the exam. Okay, I started. So initially, you need to download the Pearson View application, VUE
Yes.
application,
Yes.
right? You need system test, which was okay, and then you need to upload your ID from the link that comes onto your mobile,
Right.
and you need to share the pictures of your like a valid photo, a passport or a driving license, whatever you have. So I did that. That was really smooth. The proctor told me to provide 360-degree of my room, 360-degree angle of my room. Put
Mm.
my laptop like this, and that's when I removed the charger from the laptop and I forgot.
Oh, forgot to connect
Right.
back in.
Right. So in mid, I remember, oh God, like you still have 2 hours. The charger is not there, and you need to have a backup. So I leaned to my left, and she immediately told me, "Oh, please don't do this. Your exam will be revoked." Okay, the first thing which happened, and it made me really scared. Okay, talking about the questions. Okay, so initially I was very nervous. Initially, mostly questions that I got were of 3 liners or 4 liners. I mean, the prepcast which I gave were more difficult. So like the real exam questions were a bit easier if I compared it with the prepcast.
Mm.
So the 3 liners or 4 liners, I did my 90 questions, I guess, within 52 minutes. I was so scared. I was just reading the last line, and I had that thing in mind which you told, keep focus, keep your focus, and remove the elimination technique. I was doing that. I was reading the last line, and then I was doing the elimination technique and cut. So in 52 minutes, I did my 90 questions. And
Very good.
then
Very
I
good.
thought, okay, you need to revise them because obviously I was very nervous, so I did it very fast. So
Mm.
I took just another 15 to 20 minutes to revise them,
Mm.
and I submitted. So my first 90 questions were a bit easier as compared to next 111 questions.
Okay.
Right. Yeah. So in 111 questions, I took a lot of time. I mean, then came the heavier ones, with a lot of. I was so confused between two choices and the numericals. So for critical path, I got 3 questions.
Mm.
For cost, I guess. I mean, there were very basic and easy questions which you
Mm.
can
Mm.
remember the formulas.
Very good. Very
Yeah,
good.
yeah. So I used calculator, I suppose. Yeah, for the exams, I used that the calculator ones.
Mm.
I never use that whiteboard which they have. I mean, it makes sense for me, so I didn't use that. And for critical path, the questions were really easy. You just need to calculate the float. So that I did like in my mathematics only. So I did that in my mind, and I guess score that. And yeah, so I clicked the last question, that is 200 questions, and
What
there were
time?
few I
How,
flagged.
how many minutes you had when you came to last question?
So yeah, so 20 minutes for remaining
Wow.
because yeah, and I clicked and I was waiting like this. Congratulations. Came the survey. I don't know. Yeah, then came the survey. I filled that survey, and then I was waiting. So the loader was coming, and then at the end I saw that, okay, congratulations, and I was really okay. And then I saw my the exam sheet. So it was like above target, except closing. In every knowledge area, it was above target. So I was really happy, and I thought, okay, I took a chance, and it was fruitful.
Good.
So
Good. Did you took a break of 10 minutes?
I forgot to tell you that. So for so what I did, I went outside. I had 3 chocolates. What I did, I ate them. I was so nervous. I was so nervous. So I had
What chocolate you had?
dairy milk. Like the yeah, I kept dairy milk because it gives you instant energy. So what I did, I went to washroom. I ate that 3 chocolates because my brain, after 90 minutes, my brain was not working. So I went outside and I just had a water and then 3 chocolates which I kept. I ate that and I
Three?
came.
Three
I
is
took
too much,
deep
man.
breath.
One is enough, but 3 chocolate.
I
Bigger one?
ate 3 chocolates.
Bigger one?
Yeah, big one. It
Ah,
cut, cut.
somebody would have noticed you. What about this lady?
Yeah,
See,
so
the system is changing, I have seen in
uh-huh.
corporate, people feel nervous, they go and take up cigarettes. They smoke.
Okay, okay.
Okay. With this PMP, slowly culture changing. When you have pressure, take chocolates.
Yeah, I eat chocolate. It makes you feel good, and your brain kind of relaxes after you have that chocolate.
It looked like a drugs.
It took me 3 minutes to have it. It was like go 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 go, finish it and then come back.
You are supposed to enjoy and have a dairy milk, but you eat like this.
Yeah.
Thank God you didn't make it like a round ball and put it.
I was not having that much time. I could enjoy my dairy milk. So I took 5 minutes of break. I ate the chocolate and I had my water. I mean, 2 sip of water, and then I came back, and then I sat there. I stretched my body a little bit in front of the camera only, and then I like again started my exam.
You didn't feel any hiccup in the application.
No, thankfully, no, no. For me, the experience was quite good. So, like a day before the exam, I changed my internet connection. I changed my device. So I sure, I had the power backup for both of my laptop and my internet connection, so that
Why
nothing.
two laptops?
So in the personal one, I preferred giving that exam because you have, firewall and everything in your office laptop.
Got
So
you.
yeah, it is recommended that you should use your personal laptop and you should turn off.
When the application loads, are they locking everything? You're not allowing you to use anything?
You can't see anything. Once application is there, you like the camera would be there. Camera would be active mode, and there will be a screen where you can see your face. And in the whole screen, you can just see the questions. I mean, only the Pearson View application, nothing
Got
else.
you. Got you. Okay.
Right. And before that, you need to close every application which is running in like at the back of your desktop. You need to close.
Okay, got it. Makes sense. Super. Super. Nice, Pragya. I think you gave a full lengthy information.
Right.
I didn't block this anywhere so that you go in a flow. It was so nice. It was nice story listening to.
Yeah. I gave my exam in that way only. I just finished my exam in the flow. I never
Very
like
good.
I was so scared that first 90 question I didn't have a time to review it. So once I was reading the last line, I was just doing the elimination technique and I was marking my answer and then I was moving straight away to the next one. That's it.
Sounds very good. Great. Super. So, once again, congratulations and thanks for coming and giving input.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. And I would like to thank you and Rahul. Without you both, this would not have been possible. Roots of the PMP, which I learned, was from you. And then when I was like I was having anxiety attack, I used to message Rahul straight away, and he used to provide me with the solution. Ma'am, please stay and calm down. So good at it. He was so good at it. I mean, whenever I used to have that anxiety attack, I used to just ping him, and I was feeling so relaxed after that. And I again started with of zeal and motivation for the preparation.
Turning into a punching bag. Anybody has any trouble, they punch him and feel Rahul is there.
Yeah.
I know the candidates, the exam is not an easy exam. People need mental guidance more in the sense
Right. Right.
they know things, but somebody has to give that
Right.
I
Right. Plus, you need to have a good sleep before you are going for the exam. That is like really important.
pretty important, right? Good, fantastic, great. Super. Thanks a lot for a lot of inputs, but still 3 chocolates is too much. Go with the one, that's fine.
No, I had three.
Anyway, that's good. Good celebration. You start
Yeah.
the celebration and the break itself.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Good, good, good. Thanks, Pragya, for coming up here and giving inputs. I know you have
Yeah.
a kid around at home, but still, you manage
Yeah.
your home, your corporate life, and the short time of preparation all happened.
hmm I mean, last 15 days were the deciding factor for me because I studied like around 8 hours a day. So I did that.
Big shot. That's a good shot. The 8 hours is not easy. Having a kid at home,
Right.
really, really tough stuff. So, okay, super. You
Right.
deserve this wonderful success. Every bit of things are to you.
Yeah. Thank
So
you.
keep winning more. We are so
Thank
happy to
you.
see success happening there.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sriram.
Great. Thanks a
Thank
lot.
you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.